Hi, welcome back to my video on energy management. Okay, I've been receiving some requests from some people out there. It's not recent, but I think quite sometimes, few times, about the interest to experience the what I do exactly. Okay, somehow experience in developing and implementing energy management system based on the ISO 50001. Okay. For me, this is my advice. Okay, of course, as a company, I'm unable to accommodate that because I cannot simply allow anyone join me performing my works either with me myself or through my consultants. Okay, because in our work involve a lot of so-called confidential data, energy data, a lot of information about our clients that along the works. So yeah, I would say it's almost not applicable or impossible for us to allow other than among ourselves, okay, to work with us, follow us, to visit our clients, and to see how we do our works when we deliver our consultancy works or even training works, unless you are one of us or you have some kind of strategic partnership with us, in a proper business sense. It's impossible. Unfortunately, I had to say no for all that because it's not so-called, sensible anyway. Okay, but I would advise, okay, because I gone through that myself. No other way to experience this, other than you do it yourself. Okay, even when I started this business, okay, I I have zero experience, okay, but I have to take some risk. In fact, my first client, when I secured my first client, ISO 50001 consultancy work and training works, I was still in the training under United Nations National Development Organization, UNIDO. I haven't finished my training yet, but I have some feeling, I have the understanding about the system requirement, and I took that risk, okay, accepted the job. First, I bid for the job, and then I secured the job, and I tried out. Alhamdulillah, it worked. I learned from that. So, if you are not service provider like me, my advice, okay, let's say, the way to experience this or the way for you to have the experience is, okay, let's say you are working with the company, you are the facility engineer, you are in that company, you are in the plant or building. Okay, you like it or not, based on your knowledge, maybe you have gone for training on energy management system, ISO 50001, based on training and then you have to try it out. Okay, you have to try it out. You have to try to do from the start. Okay, first you must convince your management to adopt the system. Okay, you have to convince them why the company need to have a system, and then once that's the first challenge. Did the same thing what I have done, okay, in my works. Okay, first I have to convince the prospect that they need to have a system, energy management system. The same thing. If you're internal personnel, you are part of the company already, so you have to sell the idea, prepare a business case to justify why the company require energy management system, and you start to, once you got the consent, okay, the approval by the top management, and you have to follow the same thing. You have to develop each item by item, clause by clause. You have to develop the system based on the clause 4 until clause 10, step by step. Okay, you have to go to same thing. Okay, I did the same thing. Okay, I did the same thing. So no shortcut about this. You cannot shortcut about that. So you cannot be somehow involved. Even you involved with me, right? You involved with me, and then you cannot be a piecemeal kind of approach. Okay, you cannot come here according to your own schedule. Of course, for me, if you want to experience that, because even my consultants, okay, gone through the same thing. Each of my consultants gone through the same process. No shortcut. Each of them join me, follow me, do it, and then one day became senior, and then the junior consultant join the senior, and then they followed step by step. No shortcut. Okay, so I would say it's impractical. It's not practical for me for you to do it on piecemeal basis, just on a part-time basis, and then you can to suit your time, your schedule. Cannot. It doesn't work that way. I don't know if somebody else can do it, but I don't think I can do that anyway. Okay, I don't think it's possible. Okay, so if you have the company, you are in the organization, you experience it by convince your management to have the system, and then once you got the consent, okay, same thing, go through the same process. Okay, you go through clause 4, what the clause 4 says, okay, clause 5 says, okay, so clause 4, parties involved, issues, expectations, okay, clause 5, management, define the management role, okay, and then establish the energy management committee, define their role of every committee member, and then develop energy policy, introduce energy policy, the same process, and then conduct the energy review, use your own data. Alright, and then establish your energy performance indicator, and establish your energy baseline, and then identify setting potential OESM, and then set your targets, okay, and then do the action plan, okay, and then plan your data collection and document everything, okay. It's no shortcut, okay. And then look into clause 6 and then clause 7 supports, okay, awareness, competence, similar. Okay, and then go clause 8, clause 8. So that's why if you have gone for the training, using the knowledge that you gain from the training, you start to do it yourself. It's no shortcut. Okay, unfortunately, I can't help. I can't help on that sense, to me. Okay, so that's the only thing. Yeah, so that's the only way to experience the process. I think once you do it once, okay, that will give you more confidence, you know what to do next. Okay, because sometimes learning is different. You learn, you never try to apply, it doesn't the whatever you learn doesn't bring any so-called the supposed to be the benefits. Okay, so I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry for I cannot accommodate such requests. Okay, I simply cannot. Okay, and then another one, no shortcut for you to experience the process of to practice on how to develop and implement energy management system. I don't know about other consultants, okay? For me, I do everything from the start, okay? My team do everything from the start, from zero until the company if you want to get certified. Okay, I know some people told me, consultant just do documentations, okay? For me, documentations, SOP, manuals, work instruction, all that is just one small part of the whole thing. Okay, the whole thing, it's not even the system, okay? Document just a part of the system, not even the system. Okay, so I don't know what other consultants are doing, but for me, it's impossible. Okay, it's impossible for me to let someone, okay, join me on so-called on their own time, their own convenient time, and then unless they have to do it, you cannot do it on piecemeal basis. You must experience the whole thing from the start until you get the system developed, implemented, and then you can monitor the result. Okay, so again, that's my response to those who requested to join me, to be with me, to learn from me. Okay, the best thing I can share with you during my training. Okay, whatever I share in my video, in my YouTube, in my TikTok, okay, at LinkedIn, okay. So and then you can come from my training. That's all. That's the best thing I can do to help you. The rest, I can't go further than that. Okay, because I'm running a business here. Okay, I have a lot to take care, actually, when it comes to the information and communication with my clients. Okay, thank you very much. All the best to you.